Cheers, everybody. Ding. So, 3 months ago, Ivana and I made a video in Lahore, Pakistan, talking about how nihari might be the greatest Pakistani food. We love nihari. 3 months later, we are having authentic Pakistani nihari in Dubai.
Ooh, amazing.
What could be better than that? Homemade nihari. So big shukriya to our friend Sunny and his wife Amisha and his mother and father all living here in Dubai. What could be better than that? We were here in Dubai. They said come over for dinner, guys. So here we are.
Ooh.
We've got nihari. We've got biryani made by Amisha, who's actually Indian.
Yes.
Who's actually also prepared
Some Thai food.
some Thai food because Indian, born and raised in Thailand.
Thank you so much. Thank you for coming, guys.
And
thanks
Sunny
for having us.
is Pakistani, born and raised in Dubai.
That's right.
Super international dinner table here today.
Yay.
But we're excited for this one.
We're excited as well
Yeah.
to have you
Thank you
all.
for coming.
Yeah, so
Well,
you
thanks for
gotta,
inviting us.
you gotta try
Having
the
international
nihari.
friends is really the gift that keeps on
Yes,
giving.
that's right.
Absolutely.
So here we are. I think first things first, we should eat nihari.
Yeah, I am so excited to try it. It looks so
Looks
good,
slightly
so
different than what we
delicious.
had in Lahore. What we had in Lahore, no?
Yeah, but this is made by Sunny's mother.
Yes, it's homemade.
Yes.
All
Amazing.
like basically homemade like spices.
Mhm.
So it's nothing like which is like artificial. It's all like no
Wow.
packets. All like natural.
Amazing. Wow.
Yeah.
Beef
I
nihari.
hope you like
This might be
it.
the world's biggest bite, and I might be not vlogging it.
That might be too big, Steve.
Looks
I
nice,
love,
right?
Yeah, that's
I
good.
You
love
can see-
nihari, by the way.
Oh,
you love it?
I love nihari. Yeah, it's my
Mm.
favorite. One of my favorite Pakistani dishes.
Oh. How is it? Everyone's waiting.
The pressure is on, right? Imagine I say it was terrible. No, it's so good.
It's really good. Right?
So
It
we've
looks-
got
it
we've
looks
got
really
loose
good.
ginger. What is this green stuff here?
Cilantro.
Cilantro
yeah,
and ginger,
cilantro.
just loose, and the beef.
Look
So
at
the
this.
thing is, this is actually the best nihari I've ever had. No disrespect to Lahore. In Lahore, it was meat, but it was also brains and
And in Lahore.
intestines and muscles. This is just like beef meat nihari.
Yeah.
Yeah.
High quality meat.
Yeah.
There's different types of nihari actually.
Right. And in Lahore, it was very oily.
And it was like brains. Which for me,
So?
as a
How is
Canadian, off my palate. This is the best. This is what I wanted nihari to always be.
Wow.
It's the world's greatest, really, really good gravy. The world's greatest gravy. With really high quality beef. Similar to rendang. It's just really, really good sauce with really, really good beef. You want to try?
Okay.
Look, guys, look closely.
Ooh.
It's really, really
Okay,
good
here,
beef
I'll try.
with really, really good gravy.
Now put some lemon, no?
This is similar to rendang, different flavor, but similar in the
And like in
deliciousness.
Lahore, you have cilantro, and I'll put a little bit of ginger.
The ginger is very powerful. Watch out for that. My first bite had ginger.
I like ginger.
Okay, go for it.
So.
I think it's clearly better than
Mm.
Lahorean. The
Amazing.
one we had in Lahore was off my palate because of the brains in it, man.
It's so good. So tender. 5 stars.
Boom.
And
There
you
you
actually
have
have the naan bread to eat it with. To dip the
Oh, yeah,
sauce
we should get
with.
some naan bread going, Ivana. Don't be shy.
Yes, don't be shy.
Don't be
Thank
shy.
you.
Now you're
Look
eating
at
it properly.
that. Ooh. This.
Can you imagine
Mm.
authentic Pakistani food in Dubai? Homemade, mind you.
Very good.
Good one, Ivana. Now, try the biryani, Ivana. Let's go first taste at, by the way, Indian-made biryani. You made the biryani.
Yes, I did. But my mother-in-law taught me. So it's Pakistani biryani, but it's made by me.
Okay.
Made by an
How
Indian.
is Indian and Pakistani biryani? Are they different?
I'll be very honest. I've never made Indian biryani. I've always made Pakistani biryani, but I know that it's slightly different. But yes, this is Pakistani biryani made by somebody from Indian origin.
Right. Well, I feel like you're more Pakistani than Indian. Look at that. Mmm. Really nice. So flavorful.
Mm.
Thank you.
Different herbs and different spices just comes together really nicely.
Thank you.
This is
so
really
much.
good.
Now, what is the spice level? Let's talk about my interpretation.
It's not too spicy. I think you can handle it. You can handle it.
I made it medium.
Yeah, medium.
Did you make it medium with my
Yes,
taste buds
for
in mind?
you, for you.
She made it medium.
The best. The
All
best.
for you.
The best.
It's not spicy at all. Just a little bit of kick. A little bit of a kick.
Mm.
You can handle
Actually,
it.
Sunny's mom is a super sweet lady. She made some mutton kebab, you call that earlier?
Shami.
Shami kebab. What is it?
No
Right
problem. I'm
here.
going to cut to that as
Yeah.
well. She made some mutton...
Shami kebab.
She made some mutton shami kebab we had earlier, and she specifically said that she didn't make it too spicy because she's seen our videos and
Oh,
she
yeah,
knows I have a
she
weak
knows.
stomach.
Right.
Actually, you guys are slightly fans of JetLag Warriors, but your mom is a real fan.
Even my dad.
Mom and Dad are the
Both of
true
them.
fans.
Wow.
They
wow.
are your fans.
I promise you, we're flattered. We're just regular people with a camera who like
Thanks
to eat
so
food.
much. Thanks so much.
There you
There
have it,
you
guys.
go.
Okay.
Pakistani hospitality in Dubai. Wow.
Let's eat up, and we got some special dessert coming.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Awesome.
on the way.
Mm. My new friend Frosty. Look at that. She loves belly rub. Alright, Frosty. Enough? Dessert time. We got some ras malai. So it's kind of like a sponge cake. Like sunk into a milk-based dessert.
What's sponge cake? Do I know what this is?
It's cake,
Cake.
like light cake.
Is it like bread pudding?
This one is kind of like bread pudding, maybe. Ooh, this Pakistani dessert, but we've never had it in Pakistan actually.
I never saw it.
Yeah.
Or I don't remember seeing
Look
it.
at the cake.
Rasmalai.
Yeah. Very nice.
Made with love. Look at the Pakistani hospitality.
Yes.
Extending past Pakistan's borders.
Yes, in Dubai. Wow. Amazing, amazing. And we're having Pakistani food in Dubai. Invited by a local Dubaian? Do you say Dubaian or how do you say Dubai people?
Born in Dubai. The Pakistani. And the
Pakistani?
Indian wife.
Local Pakistani family with an Indian wife in Dubai.
Yes.
But what do you say? Not Dubaian, Emirati.
Emirati would be
Yeah.
like Arab though.
Yeah.
That would be
That's an
different.
Arab. That's
So
a local.
what do you call people that is from Dubai?
Expats.
Expat.
She's right. She's right.
He was born in Dubai, but he's an expat.
All right. Really
So
good.
how is it?
It's very good. Just try it.
Didn't.
Hold on. You won't tell us what it is.
Uh-huh.
To taste it.
You have to taste it. I think it's a more Dubai thing because I haven't seen this anywhere else.
Oh, it's like a cake.
Yeah, it is a cake, but we've got to see. We're gonna try what type of a cake it is.
Looks like
It looks so
honeycomb.
yeah, it looks so pretty.
Looks like honeycomb.
So you got the idea.
Yeah.
Oh, it's from honey.
Is it right?
Well, taste it first.
Taste it first. Okay, ready.
Ooh.
Want a big piece, Ivana?
Medium.
Is it rich? Is it heavy? Is it thick? We have no hints.
No hints.
Kind of light.
Light.
It's not really heavy.
Fluffy. It looks
Fluffy,
fluffy.
yeah. It's nice. It feels. You would like it when you eat it. I
Mm.
like it. Enjoy it.
Okay. Let's see.
Gotta get it up and not break it. Can I rip the box? No.
I think you can.
Can I?
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Now
You
we're
can, pull it apart.
scooping cake.
Oh,
Lovely.
wow,
It's
look
so
at that.
good.
It's like layers and layers
It's
of
so good.
cake.
Okay, Ivana. You first or me first?
Okay, you first. You can.
Me first?
Yeah.
Make sure?
Yeah.
By the way, this tastes like caramel.
It tastes like Fernie or something.
Not Fernie.
It's milk based, so yeah.
Maybe a little
Would
bit.
be similar, yes.
I was gonna say it's more like
So this is Pakistani,
Caramel.
but that is not Pakistani.
this is
This
Dubai.
one is Dubai.
Yeah, it's more of a.
It smells
Dubai
like graham
special.
cracker.
Ooh.
It smells like graham cracker. Smell.
It smells like cinnamon.
It's very yummy.
Oh, it's really yummy. It's not very sweet. It tastes actually really good. I'll eat this whole piece. It's really good. A little bit like graham cracker, but it's not. Because you think of cake, something that's like this, you think it's gonna be so sweet and so rich. It's actually quite light and fresh and really good.
Really nice.
So what flavor is it?
I would say graham cracker. It's wrong, but that's what I taste. Graham cracker and honey, but it's so light with like almost like a, not a cream cheese, but some sort of cream in the middle. See the little white parts?
Yeah.
Really good, Ivana. You'll do a better job
Oh, yeah,
describing
let me
it.
try.
I'm telling you, very good. Extremely good. 5 stars. Very good.
What is this called?
Try it. Might
Try
you take a
it
guess?
first.
Oh, the name might be a
Yes.
giveaway.
You might get the name. You
Okay,
know.
okay.
I mean, I don't want to say anything.
So this is traditional Emirati.
Mm.
Not really.
It's modern
Yeah,
Dubai.
I've just,
Modern,
yeah, modern
yeah,
Dubai. I just
modern,
find
yeah.
Modern
just
Dubai.
find- Yeah, yeah.
It's so good.
It's so good, right?
Is this nice?
And it's not too sweet.
It's not too sweet, that's what I'm
Uh-huh.
telling you.
Let me see.
I was worried that it was going to be super delicious, but in a way that's, you can't have too much of it because you're going to explode. No, this is so nice.
It's light, yeah.
It is light and fresh. It's really good.
It's like layer cake.
Well,
It's
what are the
amazing.
layers?
It tastes cinnamony to me.
Mm-hmm.
And honey, maybe because of the honeycomb.
Do you taste graham cracker?
Yes, a little bit, but I think it's also because of the cake.
It's really good.
Yeah, it's really
It's
good.
really good.
I was full, but I might get another
Yes.
piece of
Yes.
that.
And it's not super rich and super heavy. It's really good.
Yeah, it's very good.
Oh, it's really good. Can you tell me what it is?
Honey cake.
Honey cake.
Yeah.
Honey cake.
It is, right?
Yeah.
It's
That's
honey.
what it's called.
That's very
So
good.
good.
So not so much traditional, but modern delicacy in Dubai.
Yeah, you can only find it in Dubai so far. Oh,
Wow.
it's so good.
Really
you gotta
good.
cut me another piece, Steve.
I'll give you one. It's so good. I can't stop
Very
eating
good.
it.
Yeah.
6 stars. Be honest.
Look at that. You
6
were
stars.
full, and then until you tasted that, you became
I was so
hungry
full.
again.
I was gonna
You
fall
want
asleep. I
another
couldn't
piece?
eat anymore. I was like, guys, I can't eat anymore.
I
Please.
can put another piece for you guys.
Yeah.
Yes, please.
Yeah.
Oh, yay.
It's a bit of like a wait.
No problem.
I'll just put the rest of it.
It's really good. Actually, the design gave it away.
Yeah.
Yeah. It's like
Mm-hmm.
This is really good.
Yeah,
This should
amazing.
catch on in every country. There's no reason not to like this.
Oh, look at this. I got
It's
a
so
full
good.
plate.
We
nice.
we got a full plate, Ivana, please.
We share.
So there you have it, guys. Thanks for having us, eh?
Yeah, thank you.
Thank you.
The
Thank
beauty
you
of
so
making
much.
friends online.
Thank you so much for coming.
Yeah.
By
so-
the way, this couple met online.
Oh, yeah.
We did.
That's how we knew how to trust them online.
And
Just awesome.
Sunny, he was born in Dubai, actually. and his parents moved to Dubai in 1976.
70s.
Yes. Yes.
Wow.
45 plus years ago.
Right.
Wow.
So he's a local.
Yeah, but nice to having you guys here. It's nice.
Yes.
Yeah.
Thanks so
Thanks
much.
for having us.
Yeah. We
I
had
mean,
a great time.
We're really happy to have you here and to spend time with you guys.
Yeah, it's been fun.
Yes, it's
Lots
been
of
a
good
lot
food.
Of fun, a lot of fun.
Good food.
We enjoyed
Good food.
cooking for you.
Ah, thank you.
Appreciate that.
We
Thank
heard
you.
that you cook since the morning time.
I tried my best before my work and then after work.
Thank
yeah,
you.
but it's all worth it. So
All
it's
right.
fine.
Thank you so much.
Thank
No
you.
problem.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
There you
Thanks,
have
guys. There you have it. So thanks for watching our video, guys. We'll see you guys in the next video. Pakistan is in the bad.
Where's we put it inside?
Yeah, put it
Wow.
in.
So this is for you. This is Burj Khalifa.
Yeah.
And this is a bag for you. Just for travel.
That's for you.
Dubai
We can
bag.
use that bag. That's like our shopping bag. Yvonne.
Yeah.
Bye.
Thank you.
I
Wow.
hope you like it.
Yes, thanks so much.
It's just simple.
The Burj.
Khalifa.
The Burj.
Very cool.
Nice, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's like
You guys
a
are the
memory.
best, man.
Aw,
You guys are the best.
Thank
Want to be
you.
friends forever?
For sure.
Awesome.
And Frosty's with you now.
Finally, Frosty's my friend. No, still afraid of me.
No,
All night I've been trying to make friends with Frosty and she's been growling at me.
It's always like that.
Friends, right, buddy? Yeah, now we're friends.